That is the home of my next project. I love coffee in the morning. I'm contemplating building a gas station. It's a kit, so that little dinosaur I have that runs around my layout, I call him Dino, and Diane calls him Dino. I'm gonna build him a home, and I got this some time back. I don't know if he's gonna want to sit on top of the roof though. I'm gonna build a Sinclair station, and you know, I don't know about you, but it takes me a long time to pick up everything I want. So here's the gas station. And, you know, I'll have to find some green paint to be putting about the top and get the Sinclair stickers I need to get. So that's another step you need to do. And then you've got the gas station, but the whole inside is empty. So I went to this roomette and I picked up a package of roomettes, and this is actually the interior of a gas station. And it does have a couple of lights, so I'll be able to have a light in the let me get that back. I'll be able to have a light in both sides. I'll be able to have a light in this room and one over here in this room. So that's kind of going to be kind of cool. But, you know, when we talk in costs, what we're doing here is we're building a diorama on top of a great big diorama. That's our layout, and that's what our layout is just a great big awesome diorama for all of us. And each individual scene that we put on this is a diorama in its own. And the cost of these things, like, I mean, this is like $20. That's about $20 or so to buy that for the interior. And like I say, it comes with two lights. That's kind of a picture there of what it'll look like. And it has its directions, of course. And I'm not knocking anybody's prices for anything. Don't get me wrong at all. I'm just trying to explain how much one of these scenes makes to build. So we got a gas station and we've got the scene for the inside. But, you know, then it's like, holy cow, look. Look at this. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but those are a couple of tire racks. So wow, I could paint these up and I'll have tire racks for the outside. And then, what's a gas station if you don't have a tow truck? So I picked this up. And these are going for anywhere between $20 and $24. You know? Can't stop there. Had to buy a car that's got a flat tire. It's good for another $20. And I don't have it right here, but in the cabinet over there, I've got a Sinclair sign. Another $20, $25. So before we even get this thing built, this diorama, we're spending months collecting everything we need, because we can't afford to buy this all at one time. I mean, then you got to figure the landscape and the paint and everything that you're going to use with this. And you know what? Before you even start working on this model, you've got like $125 in the thing. But monthly, there's no way that I could go out and buy $125 worth of stuff. Hey, I'm retired. I live on Social Security. I don't know about you. You know, maybe working for a living, but then you're raising a family. I'm just saying, if you take your hobby and you buy little bits by little bits, so it takes you 3 or 4 months, so it takes you 6 months to gather up what you needed to do that scene. You won't be so overpowered with the financial costs of everything. And I think you'll enjoy your hobby a lot more that way. And I just wanted to show you this. This is what I'm going to be building next, so stay tuned. So this one here is Wayne Recker's tow service. Wayne Recker's tow service. And there's a little clip that's attached to this string that I had to glue underneath the car. I had to glue it to the car to get it to come off the ground. Otherwise it sat on the ground like that, and I wanted to have this effect. So if you get one of these, you may have to glue that to the bottom of the car to get it to come off the ground. And then these two fellers here came with that. And this one over here is Felix Fix-A-Flat. Felix Fix-A-Flat. I guess that must be Felix there. And this one came with the car, the two figures, a jack, and then a tire and a wheel. And you have to glue the wheel into the tire. And then I glued the wheel and the jack to the car because that's the way it'll always be set up in my scenes. I'm not sure where Felix will be. And she's probably yelling at Phoenix. I told you there was nails in the street. So I had to take them out and play with them. And these are both, like I say, woodland scenics. So I'm going to go put them on my layout and let's see what they look like. Oh boy. Traffic jam downtown. Looks like somebody's car stalled and they're trying to tow it out of there. Another guy's fixing his car, a flat tire. Wow, even got the police down there directing traffic. What a fix I'm in. I don't even have a gas station for them to pull into. Guess I better get working on that.